Elevator here at RainForest Café. And it's raining.
Yeah, I was like, why not set up patio?
Are we up one floor or two?
I don't know. I think they come to I don't know. Where the patio is. It's like
Thunder.
they don't have enough service people though.
Here it is. It's coming.
How do you know?
T is the second floor. There it is. And he did. There we go. Oh. T, right?
Straight in you. I guess.
Okay, we're up one floor. T.
Oh yeah, terrace.
8 people. Wow, small cab.
I think we get out that way. I'm not quite sure. We've only
We'll
saw the
find out.
patio once.
We'll find out.
Here we are at T, which is terrace.
It's that little boy that was in that wheelchair when we were on the trail. She told me if he's 7 months old, he got the flu. Really? Yep.
Thanks.
Look at this way.
Whoa, we level.
So that was weird.
There it goes. And that's it. This is the elevator here at the RainForest Cafe. Oh, it's here. The lanterns weren't tapped. Here it is.
Go ahead. Go straight in.
Oh, go ahead.
Put your foot. There you go.
We're on 2, so Aztec.
Yep. Alright, you ready?
Oops, sorry, no paper was blocking it. Yep, go ahead.
Let's go.
It's probably like 10
Let's break
feet.
old habits.
Permit expires as of October 10th. Next this year. Now it wants to go down.
This isn't outside. Okay, I guess
Yes.
we have to go like that way. Patio, where's the patio?
There it goes, and that's it.
She has it.
The elevator here at the RainForest Cafe. This is going down take. I got it. Should be here. Okay. Sliding up. That's a weird thing. There we go. I got it. Lantern. Okay, geez, you want to close? Close.
So, why do you video that? What's good about that?
I'm just a total numbers geek.
Oh. There you go. Then make it geek, you just like numbers. Don't know, I bet it's gonna open that way, maybe go back.
This one.
Alright, Jake, go straight back. But I'll watch for you.
If you hit anybody, Jacob, it's just a good laugh for later.
Okay, you want to close? Go ahead. There it goes, and that's it.